Hello and thanks for checking out my video. In today's video I am going to be talking about the lead generation system that everyone talks about. My name is Richard Murphy and I am from New Zealand, so for now just sit back, relax and get ready to start living the life of your dreams. Enjoy the video. For more information about the lead generation system that everyone talks about, head over to my website and sign up for my weekly newsletter. For signing up today you will get my free ebook on lead generation for beginners. The lead generation system that everyone talks about. The reason you are going to need the lead generation system that everyone talks about is because it will help you make the most of your current and future leads. You have to remember that this is the only way that you can truly get the leads that you need for a business. You cannot go out there and try to get as many people as you can and hope that they are interested in what you have to offer. It simply does not work like that. You can't hope that just anyone will be interested in what you have to offer, because they might not be interested in what you are offering and they won't be able to gain traffic to your website in the first place. So how can you actually gain the leads you need to drive traffic to your website? The answer is simple. You have to make sure that you are being successful at lead generation, and that you are putting out great content and information that will be interesting to your customers. The more interesting you make your content, the more people will want to click on your link so they can actually be interested in what you have to offer. The reason you need the Advantage system is that you can use it to help you achieve success with your lead generation system. This software will enable you to make sure that you can capture the names and contact information of those people who visit your website or blog. This information is useful to you in many different ways. You can easily go on to email them with special offers and even offer them your products and services so they will join your list. By taking advantage of this software, you will soon see your online business takes off and you will have more people signing up to your list every day. Create a lead generation system that everyone talks about. One of the first things a business owner has to do is create a lead generation system that works for their business. After you've created the system, however, it's important to know how the system works so you can know whether it's effective or not. There are two basic ways of creating a system, both have pros and cons. The first advantage is simply using automation. Automation is a means of generating leads without too much effort on your part. This is especially useful for businesses with only a few staff members. Since the salesperson doesn't have to actively contact anyone who signs up, they can focus more on finding new leads. The second advantage is manually doing everything. In this case, the salesperson is responsible for contact with each individual prospect. This can make the business more profitable. But it also can become time-consuming for businesses where people do a lot of small tasks like taking care of the house and running errands. Another advantage of a manual approach is that it's more likely to result in quality leads. Although it takes time and some amount of dedication to do, the results of the company will be better than when done with automatic marketing tools. Of course, there are also disadvantages to the manual approach. For starters, the disadvantages of manual marketing include the expense of maintaining the system. Even though there's nothing to pay for if the salesperson is able to get leads, maintaining the system takes time. If the company does not have enough salespeople to handle all the leads, there will be more opportunities for prospects to join the company and these will cost more money. Also, unless the system is an automated one, the sale process needs to be designed and marketed properly. The second advantage of manual marketing is that it keeps the company's operations organized. As a result, the system works better. It also allows the salespeople to train their staff so they can do it with less time and fewer mistakes. Thanks for watching my video about the lead generation system that everyone talks about. If you got value from watching my video, hit the subscribe button below this video. Well, that's about all from me. This is Richard Murphy from New Zealand signing off until my next video.